let's look into today's story. Today's story is a realistic fiction. Realistic fiction stories are made up but could happen in real life. Look for characters who have problems that real people have, places that seem real. Let's check out our power words. These words can be found in the story and are generally highlighted in yellow. The first word is mess. The next word, market. The next word, sell. The next word, help. The next one, neighbors. And the last word, set. These are the words that we will see in our story as we read. Again, our story for today is a realistic fiction, which means it's made up but could happen in real life. The title of our story is called Dan Had a Plan by Wong Herbert Yi. "Hi, Dan," said Kim. "Can you see my bugs and bats?" "I see a big mess," said Dan. "We will go to the farmer's market. We will sell the bugs and bats. The money is for new library books." "I like bugs and bats," said Dan. "I like books. Can I help?" "You are too little," said Kim. Dad and the neighbors set up. "Hi, kids," said Dan. Dad. "Hi, Sam," said Dan. "Hi," said Sam. "Can I buy a bat?" Look at what they made. It's not a real bat, but they made a little arts and crafts. "Did you see the big sign?" asked Dan. Dan had a plan. "We can help," said Dan. Let's look at their sign. How do you think they'll be able to help the library? Help the library. "Buy a bug," said Dan. "Buy a bat," said Sam. "Is it good?" asked Tim. "It is great," said Sam. Tim ran to buy a bat. Oh, they made little bat snack bags. Oh, that's awesome. So Dan's plan, do you think it'll work to help the library? Let's see. "Can I buy a bug?" asked Pam. "You can," said Dan. Many neighbors had bugs and bats. So it looks like Dan's plan to maybe sell his little arts and crafts called fruit flyers may have helped the library. Look at all these people in line. Kim had the last one. Dan was sad. You are little, said Kim. You are a big help, too. The new books are at the library. We did it, said Dan and Sam. Awesome job. They're little, but they were able to help. Dan had a plan. What was Dan's plan? And how did it actually help?